Hi there, my name is Brinkley Bennett. I'm from Baton Rouge, Louisiana, United States. My project explores how amalgamated multi-source polling data can predict the United States 2026 midterm elections and even the 2028 general election. In past election cycles, even the largest and most accurate polling organizations have mispredicted who will win the most important elections of our time. And with this in mind, I set out to try and find a more innovative poll. I did this by taking publicly accessible data from voters across different states to form how the electorate will sway in swing states, but also in major upcoming elections. For example, let's take a look on how I would predict the Louisiana U.S. Senate election. First, I would take data from the Louisiana Secretary of State's website, where anyone can look at any voting precinct from around the state and use how previous elections have turned out historically. By analyzing previous victories, along with other sociodemographic factors that dominate these smaller regions, it can be inferred what kind of policies matter most to the people who live there. After only collecting information that's pertinent to the race, each identifying factor is given a code in a spreadsheet so that published raw data from larger polling institutions may easily be integrated. The data is then standardized across sources so they follow a pattern that indicates how a person is likely to vote, which is then quantified by a probability. The probabilities are created by applying a statistical model such as logistical regression, which each variable is assigned a weighted coefficient based on its historical predictive strength. These weights are then combined to generate a single probability score between 0 and 1, or 0% and 100%, which represents the likelihood that a given voter or group will support a particular candidate. Currently, my model tested the United States Texas House District 28, where it accurately predicted the Democratic nomination to go to Henry Cuellar. With this, as someone who is interested in a future in politics and is currently working on a few campaigns, I am incredibly excited to be able to bring real-world application to my project. Thank you.